doing fun for this Halloween. In this video, I'm going to show you our pumpkin dress and fall festival fun act, exciting party and carnival. Also something interesting, our favorite trick-or-treat with our favorite characters. Are you ready to see the race? Boo Bamba is getting ready for the race. Dad is coloring it. Wheels are covered from paint. There are many spooky pumpkins ready to race in this fall festival race. Our Boo Bamba is the final winner. The real fun begins. Priya dressed in Elmo and I dressed as Red Fox. Later, I turned into Superhero Black Panther. Hi everyone, this is Pranya. I had fun playing with Baby Shark. When the competition is done, we had so much fun with the dance party.
नहीं आ रही है
After the dance party, Dad took us to a fun carnival. In the carnival, we took a ride on the toy cars. Trickortreat. I met Wonder Woman, Cinderella, Mona, Beauty and the Beast, Batman, and Captain America. We got so many chocolates.